Hey, I'm Frank Tomaro from Bound Brook, New Jersey. Today was intense. Just from the beginning of class, showing us how to properly clean an engine and detail it, dress it, to getting bugs, tar, whatever off the car, and showing us how to properly use compounds, to sealants, wax. What happens if you put too much on, what happens if you put too little. So just all the different techniques that you really wouldn't find anywhere else. You couldn't really find online how to do this, YouTube. You would have to come to this class. It's just so much different. I mean, a lot of people can look on videos online, but with this class, they give you real hands-on training. Everyone's getting a piece of a car, no matter if it's the door, trunk, hood, whatever, and we're working on it all day.